This is how we have to get screening now. So if you're getting blood tests, especially at the South Elgin facility, for me, the objective is to stay safe. So I just had my blood test done, and you have to get your screening through questions. You bring your lab orders, and then you go to one of these spots, these parking lot spots, numbered, and you wait there till you get your phone call and registration, and then somebody meets you at the front and walks you in. So that's how you have to get the tests done. You can't be bringing kids because they can't come with you unless they can stand in the car and wait for you. So nowadays, there's always changes that are being made. So it will probably change in the protocol soon. But at this point in time, until we slowly open up the country, that's the safety procedure. If you have symptoms, and I'm sending you for COVID-19 IgG tests, then you're going to be diverted over to the it's on Randall Road. If you're getting IgG tests and you have no symptoms, you can come here to South Elgin or Royal Boulevard. So hopefully this gives you a little an idea. But you're always safer because this protocol is always going to change. Call the office or call the immediate care center where you're getting the blood tests before you go, and they'll give you more details.